Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best PSP consoles is probably one of the most iconic handheld gaming devices ever created. Released by Sony, this portable powerhouse brought console-quality gaming to the palm of your hand. With its sleek design, vibrant screen, and a vast library of games, the PSP quickly became a must-have for gamers on the go. But is it still worth picking up one today? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. OSTENT PSP 2000 3000 1400 mAh replacement battery. Introducing the new high-capacity lithium-ion polymer battery pack. It's a direct replacement for your PSP, ensuring you never run out of power. This battery fits perfectly into the battery slot. Simply place it in and secure it with your PSP battery cover. It's that simple. With a real 1400 mAh capacity, this battery provides extended playtime. You can enjoy more gaming without interruptions. This is an upgraded version, designed to provide better performance. It is a reliable power source for your PSP console. This battery is compatible with PSP 2000 and 3000 series consoles. It also works with PSP Lite and Slim models, ensuring broad usability. This battery is rechargeable and has no memory effect. You can always count on it to keep you playing, even during the most crucial moments. What we like. This battery pack boasts a high capacity, ensuring extended playtime. It's also rechargeable, eliminating the need for constant replacements. If you're a heavy gamer who hates interruptions, this is a must-have to keep your PSP running longer. What people say. The screen is bright and clear. The controls are responsive and easy to use. The battery life is decent, providing several hours of gameplay. Number 4. Sony PSP 3000 Radiant Red Value Pack, Japanese import. This pre-owned Sony PSP 3000 is a Japanese import, offering a unique gaming experience. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite games anytime, anywhere. The vibrant radiant red color makes this console stand out. Its sleek design is both stylish and portable, perfect for gaming on the move. This value pack comes with everything you need to get started. It's a complete package, ready for hours of entertainment. As a Japanese import, this PSP offers access to a variety of games. You can enjoy titles that may not be available elsewhere. This console has been previously enjoyed, but it's still in great condition. It's been tested and is ready for you to start playing right away. What we like. This console offers a classic gaming experience in a portable package. It's perfect for on-the-go entertainment. If you enjoy retro gaming and want a stylish device, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything came in brand new, including the system itself. No signs of the ports being previously used at all. Original box packaging and all. The PSP I got has everything working in very good condition, the disc tray and the buttons as well, and since the PSP is also a multimedia player, you could also load movies from the PSP card, but you need to format it first. Overall good product. First off, I was under the impression that this was going to be used. Maybe I didn't read the description properly because it looks brand new to me. Included is the original box and all other components with it. It works great, the battery charges and I have had no problems with it so far. Number 3. Sony PSP 3000 series handheld gaming console, renewed. This is the Sony PSP 3000, a certified refurbished handheld gaming console. It's been restored to full working order and comes with a 90-day warranty. It's ready for your enjoyment. With the PSP 3000, you can play over 360 games wherever you go. The 4.3-inch widescreen LCD provides a stunning visual experience. It's perfect for gaming on the move. Download your favorite videos and take them with you. The Memory Stick Duo allows you to store and watch movies. It's a portable entertainment hub. Listen to music, watch movies, and even browse the internet. You can also watch live and recorded TV, and enjoy internet radio. It offers a variety of entertainment options. This renewed PSP 3000 is ready for you to enjoy. It has limited to no wear and is ready to provide hours of entertainment. Get yours today. What we like. This console is a certified refurbished unit, offering great value. It features a vibrant widescreen LCD for immersive gaming and multimedia. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a great screen, consider this. What people say. The screen is bright and clear. The graphics are surprisingly good for a handheld. The battery life is decent. Number 2. Sony PSP 3000 series handheld console, pink, renewed. This is a renewed product, tested and certified to work like new. It has been fully refurbished, inspected, and repackaged. You can expect it to be in great condition. This handheld console supports games, movies, music, and more. It's a complete entertainment package in the palm of your hand. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can browse the internet and play games online. It connects you to a world of entertainment. The device features a 4.3-inch widescreen TFT LCD screen. The screen delivers a great visual experience. The device also has stereo speakers for immersive audio. You'll enjoy a great audio experience while using it. This product comes with all the necessary accessories. It's a great choice for on-the-go entertainment. What we like. This renewed product provides a like-new experience with added features. It has built-in Wi-Fi for online gaming and browsing. If you like to enjoy multimedia and online gaming, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The screen is bright and clear. The controls are responsive. The battery life is decent. Number 1. DualShock 4 wireless controller for PS4, jet black, renewed. Experience enhanced control with the DualShock 4's improved analog sticks and trigger buttons. This allows players to have absolute control over all games on PlayStation 4. It's designed for a better gaming experience. Share your best gaming moments with the share button. You can easily upload gameplay videos and screenshots directly from your system. You can even live stream your gameplay without interrupting the game. Discover new ways to interact with your games with the touchpad, light bar, and built-in speaker. The 3.5mm audio jack provides a private audio solution. It offers exciting new features for a more immersive experience. Easily recharge the DualShock 4 by plugging it into your PlayStation 4. You can even charge it while the system is on standby. It can also be charged with any standard charger with a micro USB port. This controller is designed to enhance your gaming experience. It offers precision control, easy sharing, and new ways to play. Get yours today and enjoy the difference. What we like. This controller offers precision control for an enhanced gaming experience. The share button allows you to easily share your best moments. If you are looking for a controller that is easy to charge, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great. Came in top condition and still getting daily use. Funciona perfectamente. No ha mostrado ningún defecto, la batería es duradera. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.